I'm in the town of Mulhall today and I'm working on a water leak. Just getting started. Been leaking for a while. I've kind of had not enough time to get in here and get it done. But I think what we probably got going is right down at the main. I suspect we've got the same problem we've had on a lot of other ones. Is I've got a water tap just over here to the right. Where we come off the main, we use a poly pipe, you know, tapped into the saddle, or, you know, into the cork stop. And what happens is the inserts we use on those, for some reason, have a tendency of breaking the pipe. So what I'm going to do is try to dig down here and find it and repair it. And at the advice of some other people, some other cities, well, I know a guy that works for the city of Oklahoma City. He said they quit using the inserts on the poly pipe because they're having the same trouble too. Some other guys I've talked to have got the same problem. So that's the deal. Now, the main should be in here somewhere. Thinking it's probably about I might need to dig back this way a little bit, but somewhere in here. But we've also got a tap that goes to the other side of the street, just beyond this one, so I've got to be careful not to snag it. I got to be careful not to snag the one I'm digging up here. Looks like we've got some nice rocks and stuff in the mix here, so this is probably going to be a fun one. I've kind of been dreading it, but... Okay, here's the leak. There's a rock under the pipe, knocked a hole in it. Over here we've got a sleeve that goes under the street. And then our main line, I never did get all the way to it, but I got the corp right here. The line's just right beyond that. But we can turn it off here and replace this piece of pipe here. That's the plan anyway. If the corp will turn off. There we go. That one turned off. And we got to take this nut loose. Can't remember what size it. It's like a 3/8, I believe. Or a 10mm 6-point will work. That's what I got here. Let's back off this nut that clamps the pipe. And I'm going to dig it out a little bit more there. There's rocks all around all this pipe, right up in there. It's not good. I might have to dig more out of here. There we go. You can see how that pipe's in a bind though. It's really kinked over. Kind of stretch too. All right. Yeah. Clean this up. Turn the camera first now. Like the ratchet cutters. Okay, so I can dig the rocks out of the way now. That's the one that broke it right there. Nice bedding job they did. Pour some mud out of it. So I got a new ring, new washer to put on the cork. That way it'll have a new seal on it. And I'm gonna carefully purge this out here a little bit. The mud out of it. Okay, now this pipe has got an awful bend in it, so I'm just gonna have to start it straight here and then hopefully I'm not using an insert this time. We've had too much trouble with them in the past. Without an insert, you don't want to over tighten. Alright. That's the easy side. Okay, that one's tight. I usually tighten them down till they're just touching. And then try to get our length on this and cut it off. We may have to make a couple of cuts to get it right. I'd rather have it just a bit long. This stuff's got such a bend in it. I need to take some pieces and straighten them a little bit. This is going to be tough. Get this on there. But what I got here is just a coupling. Be sure your pipe gets to the center of it. I already got my washers in there, so this is the fun part. That's probably what I need to do. Let's go ahead and slide this on here. First I need to dig a little mud out of that. Alright, now slide this on. And then hopefully make a connection here. And it's not. So what we can do is use a pipe wrench to kind of straighten that fitting. Good night. There we go. The wrestling match. Got her started though. This poly pipe comes in a roll, so it's already pre-coiled. So. And this is the same pipe, it's just different color. This is iron pipe size or PVC size pipe. Yeah. I don't like it when it does that. Pretty good wrestling match I got there. Yeah, I'm gonna turn that pipe back. It kind of twisted that pipe and that sleeve. I don't want it to be in a bind, so I think we're good to go there. Tighten up our clamps and we'll be ready to find something to backfill with here that ain't so rocky. Be sure and turn on the cork before I leave, right? Get a call tomorrow. Customer complains of no water, so Alrighty then. All repair's done if it doesn't leak. We're fixing to find out. Alright, got the corp on, no leaks, good deal.